Bullish reserve rights, RSR, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.024054 and $0.052385 by 2030. Market examiners accept RSR could reach $0.024054 by 2025. Bearish reserve rights market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.004276. Reserve rights, RSR, presentation. Reserve rights has a convention called the Reserve Convention, which is a decentralized stablecoin stage that looks to make cost-stable digital currencies by collateralizing them with different resources and utilizing a flexible stock model. The convention at present offers three USD-supported stablecoins, RUSD, RSV, and RSR, and a gold-upheld digital currency, RGold. Notwithstanding its local token, RSR, the Reserve Convention uses the Ethereum blockchain and utilizes brilliant agreements. What is the local token, RSR, utilized for? The local token, RSR, of the Reserve Convention fills two essential needs: guaranteeing reserve tokens, RTOKENs, through marking and overseeing them through proposing and deciding on changes to their arrangement. By marking RSR tokens, clients can help guarantee against misfortunes should any of the reserve tokens become under-collateralized. Also, RSR token holders have administration rights over the actual convention. They can decide on different choices influencing token design settings, for example, trade rates or liquidity expenses charged by loan specialists. What makes reserve rights novel? The reserve stablecoin is an imaginative new cryptographic money supported by a crate of other digital currencies. This remarkable methodology gives more magnificent strength and security than other stablecoins regularly upheld by USD in a ledger. The brilliant agreements that control the reserve stablecoin guarantee that the basic resources are overseen safely and productively. A few variables could keep on driving the cost of RSR higher. The complete inventory of RSR tokens, first and foremost, is covered at 100 billion, making shortage and prompting expanded request as additional individuals become mindful of the undertaking. Besides, the group behind reserve rights is continually chipping away at new elements and upgrades to the stage, which could expand revenue from the two clients and financial backers the same. At last, reserve rights has proactively protected organizations with significant trades like Binance, Bybit, and FTX, giving it a strong client base to expand upon. Reserve rights is a cryptographic money that permits clients to make and exchange computerized bins of tokens. These bushels can comprise of any ERC20 resources, including stablecoins supported by other cryptographic forms of money, like USD Coin, USDC, and Paxos Dollar, USDP, and furthermore DeFi yield-bearing resources like Compound USD Coin, CUSC, and AAVE, ADAI. Reserve rights, RSR, specialized examination. From a specialized point of view, the RSR cost is at present testing a key obstruction level. This is a basic level to watch in light of the fact that a breakout above it could flag the start of a new upturn. Then again, on the off chance that the RSR value neglects to break out over this level, it could start a new downtrend. The RSR cost has been upturned since WAC 2020, when it reached as far down as possible at around $0.001. From that point forward, the RSR cost has ascended by over 1,200%. However, at that point expressed a downtrend in 2021. One of the primary drivers of the new convention in the RSR cost has been the send-off of the Reserve Rights Convention. RSR, a decentralized stablecoin stage that permits clients to make and exchange computerized resources fixed to government-issued money or other digital currencies. The RSR convention is exceptionally adaptable and productive with low charges, making it appealing for the two clients and engineers. In sending off its convention, Reserve Rights has likewise been effectively associated with creating and conveying DeFi conventions on Ethereum's blockchain. Reserve Rights, RSR, current cost. Reserve Rights is presently worth $0.005345 US. RSR has moved -2.10% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,370,482. Reserve rights is presently positioned 124 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $225,242,153. Reserve rights, RSR, value forecast 2022. Reserve rights, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year, RSR. The RSR cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0.008018. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.007484 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. RSR is supposed to have a base worth of $0.006415. Reserve rights, RSR, value expectation 2023. In 2023, reserve rights RSR cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of RSR will before long outperform $0.013364. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the RSR's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, RSR will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.010691 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.011760. Reserve rights, RSR, value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.018709 and RSR might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. RSR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.017105 and a low of $0.016036 in 2024. Reserve rights, RSR, value expectation 2025. Assuming reserve rights effectively supports market opinion among digital currency fans, the RSR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, RSR will be green in 2025. The RSR is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0.024054, with a base cost of $0.021382 and a typical cost of $0.022451.